Okay, so on this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the stand, the sign stand. So I numbered, if you notice on the piece of paper that you received, each part is numbered. The only thing I want to mention is, depending on whether you're doing the the short stand or the larger one, I typically use this knob for the short one and then this one for the bigger one because it's wider. So you won't use both of those, just FYI. Okay, so, and I'm working with the small stand. The first thing we're going to do is glue the bases together. You can use hot glue or super glue, it doesn't matter. I've got my hot glue heating up, but it's not ready to go yet, so I'm going to use this super glue. And I'm not painting it because it's so easy if you just get you some spray paint to do it. But if you are going to hand paint, I would do it before assembling. I think anyway, especially if you were going to distress it. Give that just a second so you can see. I may not have even gotten it totally centered, but that's the goal. Okay, so then the next part is putting the stand in here, and it will lean back a little bit, but that's what this guy is going to give it some support. Now, I'm going to turn it sideways for just a second. So, and I'm going to take it out of the thing. You don't want it like straight up. I think you want it tilted just back just a little bit. So that allows for the weight of the stand. And so I think it should be tilted back just a little bit, okay? Okay, so I've got my hot glue ready to go. So I'm going to, and this is the part you kind of have to work quickly. So I'm just going to fill that with glue. And then I'm going to stick it in here. And, oh, I forgot about this part, shoot. Crap. Oh, and put a little bit on here. You don't have to have a ton, but you want to have some. And then kind of line that up to keep it straight. So once I get mine in there, mine actually is probably a little bit straighter than I would like it, but it's because I forgot about the glue here. And I got a little messy, but as soon as that dries, I can kind of pick that off. But I just want to show you from different angles. This is not really going to show anyway once you paint it. Okay, so, and then the rest of it's easy peasy, guys. So first thing is this goes down here. This part is, I never really understood the purpose of this, but that's where it goes. So I put it on there because the person that designed this stand put it there. So okay, and then just a couple more things. Oops. So this guy goes here. This one goes here. This is your spacer to give you room to hang your string, okay? Just make sure that you leave enough room for whatever front piece you're going to use. But I just kind of stick it there and then stick that on top. So what is that? Oh, I think that's part of my, there. And there you go. So you can see you've got your spacer there to hang your string. That's just decorative. All that is decorative. But you can distress it, do whatever you want with it. So hopefully that helps. Thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.